Right, today I'm going to install preheater in the car. So the winter is coming and it's really important to have warm car, especially diesel. So I had three options: to put Webasto somewhere here, like in the center, but it's not really an option because there are a lot of drawbacks and I need to do a lot of things to install it. The next option would be to put additional heater inside there, so before the pump, but the challenge that the hose that goes from radiator into the engine or into the pump is blocked by a thermostat, so it won't really work. So the only option that I can see, and really easy to implement, is to put a preheater, so the electric preheater, into one of the pipes that goes from engine to the car heater inside. So this is how it looks like. I'll just need to insert it into the line. I also bought the hose, a few other things. This is how it looks, and they claim that within 3 hours it should be warm car. So I'm going to install also let's say partially here the outlet.